Hello friends, how are you? Today in this video I am going to talk about a scoring function. What is this function? Scoring functions are mathematical functions used to approximate, predict the binding affinity between two molecules after they have been docked. The evaluation and ranking of predicted ligand conformation is crucial aspect of structure-based virtual screening. A scoring function implemented in docking program make simplifications in the evaluation of model complexes. Affinity scoring functions are applied to energetically based scores found for each molecule and comparing the affinity score for different molecules gives their relative rank ordering. Application of a scoring function. There are three important applications of scoring function in molecular docking. The first of these is in the determination of the binding mode and site of ligand on protein. To predict the absolute binding affinity between the protein and ligand, which is particularly important in lead optimization. To identify the protein potential drug hits or leads for a given protein target by searching a large ligand database, virtual database screening. Classes of a scoring function. Essentially, following types or classes of scoring functions are currently applied. Number 1, force field based scoring. Second, empirical scoring function, knowledge based scoring function, consensus scoring, and shape and chemical complementary score. Friend, broadly speaking, a scoring function can be divided into following classes. Force field based function means based on term from molecular mechanics of force field. Gold score, dock and orthodox, this facility available. Empirical scoring functions parameterize against experimental binding affinity, chem score, PLP, glide, XP and SP. Knowledge based scoring function based on statistical analysis of observed pairwise distribution, PMP, drug score, ASP, and force field based scoring, PARFF, force field. The scoring functions are developed based on physical atomic interactions, include van der Waals, VDW interaction, electrostatic interaction, and bond stretching, bending, torsional force. Molecular mechanics force field usually quantify the sum of two energies, the receptor ligand interactions energy and internal ligand energy, such as static strain induced by binding. Empirical scoring function. These scoring functions are designed to reproduce experimental binding energy or conformation. The function is a sum of several well parameterized terms. Hydrogen bonding differentiated into neutral hydrogen bond and ionic one in Ludi. Hydrophobic contribution based on the molecular surface area and contact between the hydrophobic atom pairs. Chem score has an additional term for aromatic interaction. Non-enthalpic term like the rotor term, which is entropic in penalty on rigidity of rootable bond on binding. Solvation, a dissolution using continuum model. Friend, consensus score. Consensus score combine information from different scores to balance error in single score and improve the probability of identifying true ligands. And exemplary implementation of consensus scoring is like this all software. shape and chemical complementary score. Divide accessible protein surface into zones: hydrophobic, hydrogen bond donating, hydrogen bond accepting. Do the same for the ligand surface. Find ligand orientation with best complementary score. Software used for the molecular docking, you can see name, year, organization, descriptions and license. All this. One is very important from 2011, automated active site detections, docking and scoring protocol for protein with known structure base on Monte Carlo method. This open access. Thank you.